Ever wondered what would happen if two particles, no matter how far apart, could instantly affect each other? Let's delve into the fascinating and somewhat mind-boggling realm of quantum entanglement. At the heart of quantum mechanics, one of the most intriguing and perplexing concepts is quantum entanglement. It's a phenomenon that at first glance seems to defy the laws of time and space as we know them. In essence, quantum entanglement is when two particles become so intimately connected, so intertwined, that the state of one instantly influences the other, no matter the distance between them. Imagine you have two synchronized swimmers performing a routine. They start together, move together, and even though they might be at opposite ends of the pool, their actions continue to perfectly mirror each other. Now let's take this one step further and separate these swimmers by an ocean. Even with thousands of miles between them, they continue to move in perfect harmony, performing the same moves at the exact same time. This is a simplified analogy of quantum entanglement. It's as if these particles, these swimmers, are not just linked, but are in fact one and the same. The moment one changes its state, the other instantaneously changes too, regardless of the distance. This happens faster than the speed of light, which seems to contradict Einstein's theory of relativity. The implications of this phenomenon are profound. It forces us to question our understanding of the very nature of reality. It suggests a deeply interconnected universe where distance is irrelevant at the quantum level, and where the state of the universe could be influenced by the smallest of particles, no matter where they are. So, next time you watch synchronized swimmers or a beautifully choreographed ballet, think about this. What if every performer, no matter how far apart, is connected in a way we can't fully comprehend? What if they're all dancing to the rhythm of the universe in sync, just like entangled particles? Imagine that, no matter the distance between them, they perform in perfect sync. That's quantum entanglement for you. Albert Einstein famously called this spooky action at a distance. But what's so spooky about it? Well, let's dive in. Quantum entanglement is a phenomenon that seems to break the rules, or at least the ones we're used to. You see, it's like having a pair of dice, but these aren't ordinary dice. No matter how far apart they are, if you roll them, they will always land on matching numbers. It's as if they're communicating instantly, no matter the distance. This is where it gets spooky. According to our understanding of space and time, this should not be possible. Nothing can travel faster than light, right? But here we have particles acting as if they're in two places at once, sharing information instantly. This oddity, this spooky action at a distance, challenges our very understanding of the universe. It's like they're playing by a whole new set of rules that defy our everyday understanding of the world. So, you might ask, what good is this spooky action to us? Well, that's a great question. Quantum entanglement, for all its weirdness, isn't just a fascinating concept confined to the realms of theoretical physics. It has real-world applications that could revolutionize our lives. Imagine a world where your computer performs calculations at a speed that makes today's supercomputers look like snails in a race. That's what quantum computing promises. By leveraging the strange properties of quantum entanglement, quantum computers can process vast amounts of information simultaneously. It's like having a team of the world's best mathematicians working together to solve a problem, instead of just one. But the potential applications don't stop at quantum computing. Quantum entanglement could also transform the way we communicate. Picture this: you scribble a message on a piece of paper and instantly, the same message appears on another piece of paper thousands of miles away. It's like telepathy, only it's real, and it's achievable through the magic of quantum entanglement. This could lead to ultra-secure communications, immune to eavesdropping and interference, a major boon in our increasingly interconnected world. Yet, despite these potential applications, we're still at the cusp of understanding quantum entanglement. It's like we've discovered a new superpower, but we're still figuring out how to control it. There are technical challenges to overcome, yes, and many questions that need answers. But every new discovery, every successful experiment brings us one step closer to unlocking the full potential of this spooky action. So while we're still trying to fully understand it, quantum entanglement might just be the next leap forward in our technological evolution. It's a leap that could change the way we compute, the way we communicate, the way we live. And that, my friends, is the power and the promise of quantum entanglement. Now, we've talked about quantum entanglement, how it works and what it could mean for our future. But let's take a moment to envision what that future might look like. Imagine a world where quantum computing is a reality, a world where problems that take years for our current computers to solve are cracked in mere seconds. Imagine a world where information can be shared instantly and securely across vast distances, without fear of being intercepted or tampered with. This could revolutionize everything from healthcare to finance, from education to entertainment. It could lead to advancements in AI, in climate modeling, in drug discovery, and so much more. But beyond the practical applications, quantum entanglement could also fundamentally change our understanding of the universe. It could provide answers to some of the biggest questions in physics, and maybe even shed light on the nature of reality itself. And while we still have a long way to go, every day we are taking steps towards this quantum future. Each experiment, each discovery, each breakthrough brings us closer to unlocking the full potential of quantum entanglement. So, hold on to your seats because the quantum future is coming, and it promises to be a wild ride. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the quantum realm. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more mind-bending content. Until next time, stay curious.